Today's video from Shop Stuff, we're taking a quick look at the CAS AP range of retail weighing scales. So all the scales available from Shop Stuff are stamped and trade approved for retail. This AP range sits above the CAS Junior and CAS Plus scales. The big difference between them is the pole display. So on this machine and any machine in the AP range, you have a pole display, which is obviously ideal for the customer being able to see the price. You've got 3 levels on the display. There's the price at the top, the weight of the item, and then the unit price. The unit price kicks in when you assign a PLU. So on the AP scales, you've got a maximum memory of 200 preset PLUs, which is quite a lot for a scale at this range, but really handily you've actually got 28 direct PLUs, which are these buttons here. So you simply press one of your PLU buttons, it comes up with the preset price per kg on there. You enter your items, it obviously shows the weight of the items, and then crucially it shows the price at the top. Take those off again. Programming PLUs is really easy, or PLU prices. You simply type in a price, so for 50p, 50, then you press this MW button here, and then press a PLU button and it saves it in the memory. So this PLU now is 50p per kg. Pop your items on there and it does the same price calculation as before. We'll take those out of the way. The machine can also do counting within a container, so it's got the tare function. So the way that works is if you're selling items that are always in the same container, and before you weigh them you can tear the weight off, pressing the tear button after the container's placed on, and then when you actually pop the items in the container, it's taken the container or box weight out of the equation. So again, if we pop, that's 105, we pop those in there, it's 105 again. So that's the way the tare system works. You can also use that with the PLU. So you would place the tare on, let's say they were £1 per kg, tip your items on, and then it's calculated the weight and the price. When you're done with any tare counting, it's important to press the tare button again to get rid of the negative weight, so everything's back to 0. Okay, so this version of the AP scale has got a stainless steel flat plate. We also do a veg scoop version where basically we remove the flat plate and then calibrate a cradle and veg scoop for you. So I'll do a demo video of that as well, and I'll put a link up at the end of this one to the veg scoop scale. The other function this machine's got is to weigh by 100 grams. So there's a 100 gram button here, so you press it and you'll notice on the bottom line of the display it's arrowed over to price per 100 grams. So you've got to be a bit careful with this, because if you sell your items, it will now do it by gram, so it will charge the same price but by gram rather than by kilogram. Pop those off. It's easy to toggle back to kgs. You simply press the 100 gram button. Okay, so the link to that video, the CAS AP with veg scoop video, is probably appearing on screen now. I'll put up a playlist of all our scale videos as well, so you can check those out. If you want to order the CAS AP scale or any other scale from Shop Stuff, visit the link in the video description or head over to shopstuff.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.